Hi everyone, today in ADOC and wireless sensor network we are going to discuss about exposed terminal problem or exposed node problem in this particular video. The exposed terminal problem refers to a inability of a node which is blocked due to the transmission by the nearby node transmitting node to transmit to another node. So I will explain what is the corresponding exposed node problem with a scenario. So we have four nodes A, B, C and D. So now A, B and C, these three nodes are available within the coverage area of A. Then the another coverage area because of B. So within this coverage area, the another three nodes are available, that is called C, B and D. So in this particular situation, A wants to communicate with C. Okay, A wants to communicate with C. A is generating a packet and that particular packet communicated to C. So this particular communication between A and C is heard by B also, because B is within the coverage area of A. Okay, so B is also falling within the coverage area of A. So that's why whatever may be the communication between A and C, that will be heard by B also. Because of this overhearing, what will happen? The B will decide already A and C is communicating together. That's why the B should not communicate any communication to other node. So it will decided to move to sleep node. Actually, in this particular scenario, B can communicate to D. There is no problem because B is falling on another coverage area. Okay, but this corresponding B is exposed because of A and C communication. Okay, so this particular problem is called exposed terminal problem. According to A and C communication, B is exposed. Okay, so this problem is eliminated by using multiple access with collision avoidance protocol. As like hidden node problem, here also we are performing the handshaking operation between the nodes. You can consider the same scenario. We have four nodes. So in this particular situation, A and C wants to communicate together. So A will generate the request to send signal or request to send packet to C. So C will receive that packet. If C is ideal, then C will accept this particular packet. So immediately it will give an acknowledgement in terms of clear to send to A. Now A and C performed the handshaking operation for the communication before starting data communication. So while performing this particular operation, this C will also send a copy of the packet to B. So A and C will going to communicate. So during that particular time, B can communicate to other node. Okay, so instead of transmitting a packet to C and A, so B can transmit to D. So now you can see the exposed terminal problem is eliminated by using this particular handshaking operation by using RTS and CTS. Okay, so once A and C is performed handshaking, then B can communicate to D. There is no problem. Okay, so in this particular video, so by using multiple access with collision avoidance algorithm, we are eliminated the exposed terminal problem. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet again with some other concept in ADOC network or wireless sensor network. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you all.